But when you add data in there, it doesn't just double it, it exponentially accelerates the capacity. It's what I noticed in doing these turnarounds. I really noticed that coming in and using the exact same people with the exact same resources was able to achieve a different result. And I started wondering, well, why was that happening? And what I noticed was people plus processes. When you add that together and then you use the exponent of data, all of a sudden the exponential factor of data will accelerate things. The next factor that increases the capacity, in my experience, is when you add processes. So when processes are in place with quality people, all of a sudden you go from kind of a shallow increase of capacity to a almost twofold increase of capability and capacity. So when you have good people and solid processes in place, then you can add as many people as you want on top of those processes because it just starts churning over. Now all of a sudden for the same warehouse space, you might be able to double your volume because you got good processes. But when you add data in there, it doesn't just double it, it exponentially accelerates the capacity. So when there's data about that equipment coming in the warehouse or supply coming in the warehouse or the number of customers that are hitting your website, when you can see that data, you can suddenly start seeing where you need to fine tune processes, where you need to add certain people and certain FTEs in certain work centers. And when you can start tweaking all of those things because the data is telling you that, and then you give all of the staff their own data feedback loops so they're self-correcting, now the capacity of what that exact same organization with the same people and the same resources, you have accelerated that in a high curve upwards of the total capacity of what they can do. So your total revenue can jump. You don't have to buy more equipment. About 20 CNC machines in there, exact same people, exact same machines. And we took the throughput and increased it by 50% because we put data in the process and we gave the staff their own data sets to be able to manage and watch. You only get that because the data accelerates what the people and the processes are capable of doing.